mean, you still get some numbness and stuff, but that's better.
Okay.
It's just this muscle that you're adjusting
Yeah.
is the one that's causing me all the problem.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. One thing about him is that the nerves that exit your neck come down your arm, and so when you're tight here, that's going to cause problems down your arm. So I'm teaching him better posture and chin tucks when you're doing activities, and he was doing really good, and then he forgot himself and started doing activities that flare things back up. So let's calm them back down. On your back, face up. Is that okay laying like this?
Yeah.
Well, that's better.
It's better, because last time I couldn't.
Yeah, we had to put a pillow underneath his head because he couldn't even put his head back. It was so bad at that CT junction where your neck meets the upper back. And you're not wincing as bad when I'm pressing on that spot.
No.
So the disc is definitely getting better.
Yes.
And then.
So it's that stinking muscle, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. Keep breathing.
Okay.
And that doesn't hurt there, right?
A little bit, yeah, that goes down my arm.
Okay, well, let's not do that then.
Okay.
Because again, I don't want to irritate the nerves trying to fix the problem. Right. Relax your head. There we go. Right there. How's your arm doing?
Good.
Good. That's the tricky part, is working on the very muscles that put pressure on the nerves, so you got to be really careful not to irritate the nerves while you're working on the muscles and the joints. You feel that guy up there?
I do.
But for what it's worth, it's not as bad as last time. It's still tighter than I like to see, but relax your head.
Okay.
I gotcha. You feel that guy?
Yeah.
Keep breathing. So whenever there's a problem, you always look in front of it, behind it, on top of it, below it. You want to make sure you get rid of everything that can cause that to come back.
Okay.
Ooh.
Yep.
I'll give you a little break after that
Okay.
one. I could tell that one hurt. How's your arm doing?
Good.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to pinch that left side again.
Okay.
How's that on the right? Still, is that better now?
Yeah.
Good. Let's not play with fire too much. Relax your head again.
Okay. It's hard not to tense up.
I know.
Okay.
It's like, relax as I'm pressing on all your tenders. Keep your head heavy.
Okay.
Yeah. It's softening.
Good.
All right, I think it's soft enough for an adjustment now. Okay. So remember, like last time, we're going to do a quick flick to the right to cause noise, to, like that, because it'll open up that right side. Okay. Anything going down your arm, you okay?
Yeah.
Okay, breathe in, exhale.
Ooh, that did it.
Relaxing.
Okay.
How's your arm doing?
Good.
Good. And that's where speed is really important. You don't want to go deep, you just got to go fast to get that cavitation to occur, because that's what releases endorphins, and that's what goes to that window of pain relief, improves range of motion. Oh, that's feeling a lot better.
Good.
That quick stretch gets those muscles to really disengage. See how much softer that muscle is now?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, one quick flick causes a good 15 minutes worth of massage at least.
Seriously.
Mm-hmm.
That's amazing.
Mm-hmm. I still give it a rub though, because it feels good.
Yeah.
let your head go down.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Perfect. All right, I'm going to give you that hug move for that upper back because that's the bottom part. Is that okay on your arm and shoulder and everything?
Yep.
You got to scoot you down just a bit. There. Oh, a little bit more actually. I want to go higher than that. That's perfect. So really tight with the arms. Lift your head up just a tiny bit and breathe in. Now relax. Breathe out. Breathe out again. Breathe out.
Okay.
I got a little one.
Yeah.
Got to work on that middle back more. It's still so tight.
Okay. That's the rolly thing.
Yeah, you got it.
Okay.
He's talking about the foam roller. I've given him some stretches to do to loosen up that extension because as we get older, we want to get hyperkyphotic, and then that puts strain on that neck. Your head's heavy. Needs to sit on the golf tee. Stretching is really, really important for overall health, right? Because a lot of people focus on strength building, which is important, but you don't want to get muscle bound.
Right.
So, and as tight as you are, stretching would be good for your health. Now, the trick is not to stretch to pain, because you do have an injury here. So if you do any kind of stretching that bothers your arm, that's causing damage,
I
right?
think I'll wait a bit.
Yeah, but definitely get into some sort of stretching regime. I've given you some very specific stretching, like the foam roller stretches to get the extension in your middle back, and then chin tucking to hold the space alive.
Yeah.
So once this settles down, then you can start going into some more deeper stretching.
The other question I had is that rope exercise you gave me twice a day, 3 sets of 10. Do I ever increase that?
I would rather you introduce a different kind of exercise because that's enough to wake up those muscles. You don't want to fatigue them or hurt them. They're postural muscles.
Okay.
So if you want to get into more strengthening, which it's a little early for that, then I would do more things like core strengthening stuff, like lower abs and because rhomboids they're weak on you, and I'm picking on you. You're stronger than most people, but you got to be balanced in your strength. Oh, doesn't that feel better?
Oh, yeah. Yep.
Look at you, I can wiggle you now. That's perfect.
No, I couldn't lay flat last week.
No. That was my knuckle popping.
Yeah.
All right, remember how you get up. You don't just sit up. You go onto your side, keep your chin tucked in. See how that feels.
That's good.
And shoulder rolls.
Nice.
Yeah. Now stay that way. That's the trick. I get him feeling better, and then he leaves and starts chopping wood. And
I'm gonna let that rest for a week or two.
Yeah, that sounds good. Yeah, let this calm down, heal up, and then when you get back to it, really watch your posture when you do those activities. Yeah, how's your golf game?
It wasn't real good this weekend.
Oh.
The 70s last week and the 80s this week. So.
I think your body missed me. I went too long.
It did. It's the changes.
Yeah, exactly. All right, well, thank you for letting me record you.
The drumming difference. The drumming difference.